Now 6 a.m. in the morning. About to go, but might have to put some air in the tire. I'm gonna go to sleep, so see you guys tomorrow. I'm just kidding. See you guys later. Right now, me and mom, we at Daiso. Daiso stickers. Yep. I cannot live without them.
You're blind, no?
Oh, they have more? Oh my god, no! Here, give it to me.
Oh, this was so cute.
How many? 8?
This 8 of them.
Then I'll just treat them as 80s. Guys, look what we got. This is a peach ice cream. Mom, they love a sachet. It looks so good. Wow, that is a lemon. Wow. I took a bite. It's so good. I mean, not the lemon. But go, mom.
She tastes so cute. I know. Cute.
Look at this. Ooh. So pretty. Look at all of these. So pretty. And then go cut. Look at all these cute stuff here. Wow. So cute. Okay, hold on. Hey! Okay, open it now. This is the blind box and mystery box. Oh, it's right there.
Oh, thanks. Which one do you want?
Oh! That's the city one? Oh, no.
No, that's the...
So
this one is the blue one.
Oh! Hopefully I got a different one.
Oh, let's see. This one's cute.
Okay, now it's my turn. Mommy, I got take one. Okay, this is mine.
Vì lông nhãn cũng mạnh phê. Oh, lông nhãn.
We got different.
Oh.
That's the...
It's a different one.
You got the end of the world. Is it? With the one with the little lantern? Yeah. Yeah.
Aww. Look how pretty this is. We're going to Ifa. Just got seated. We're here at the mall. Oh, nhớ mình cô so cute. And alas, I see the light.
Oh, let's see which one you got. That one.
I got một quả. Yes, yeah, it's so pretty.
Oh,
All là cho character nhá.
what did you get?
Blue.
I got this one.
Oh, so pretty. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you're this one. Got this one.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah. I thought when I don't know how to open this.
No, this is another tape. No. Will you do this? Oh, wait. Looking at, see? Oh, you took it off. Never mind. Oh, maybe just go ahead and... Oh, never mind. I don't know. Pop it out.
Oh my goodness.
You twist it.
Oh my
Oh, that's super cute.
Stand on its own.
Sai lỡ. Lấy nhân tử à. HK á. They're right there. They didn't care about me and mom at all. They just left us behind. They didn't even care to search for us. So it's an open book. Juju B, look at this. Juju is Auntie Koo is inside the book. See, Auntie Koo is inside the book. Wow. Ooh, look at all of these books. so nice. This is our hotel room, guys. Yeah. Okay, me first. I am going to open this. Who's there? I have this.
Oh my god.
That one looks so good. I want to eat it. So cute, so yummy. Wow, cái này chỉ cá lươn phù rồi.
Ready? Tra. Tra. I got this guy. Bắt đầu đi chọc kèm.
Oh my god.
Coral. Yeah, you haven't seen Bray.
Yeah.
You should watch. Just really good.
It's not Korean barbecue. Yum. Mom, David, my goo, mine, and me. I'm not gonna show my face because I'm ugly. Okay, where are we at?
Yeah, round one. Look at that.
Round one. Oh, this one is so super cute. Mommy's sleeping. We all living the life in the hotel room. Icy hot.
This is us. I think not a single video. I think the trip is really showing that.
8:30 a.m. in the morning, and we are going to the fair.
Chào nó cái thầy của
Chưa
Ê.
dạ.
của chị Phấn nha. Oh, this is a good set.
Yeah, they're showing us those are awesome. The one with the hand that they
So pretty. This is like a land of the dead. Go stand right there to see how big it is. Yeah, wow. Guys, look. It's a dinosaur. At least we get some air, Mom. No wonder people get lost all the time, see? Those are all people. Those are all people. Mấy một sải đá nữa, lợi nữa. Số luôn. Ai da, ai da. What the heck is that? Trung Quốc hẹn, even though it's so hot outside, okay? Bây giờ Trung Quốc chấp lời. Mày cu nè, mày cu Trung Quốc nha, mày cu à? Wow, mà nó đảo được. Trung Quốc có từ à? Mày Trung Quốc here mày à?
Nó mà bây giờ lòng câu đó, nó là bây giờ lòng câu. Có nhưng mà đúng tại sao lại là chỉ sai mà có chỉ lâu đấy nha nó
Good hair. Good hair 冇咩樣仔嘅嚇。
nè nó thế sao Đà Lạt nào mà lột tàn đâu nè cái xe
Ini mai young.
po lên là
Feel fat. I need a filter for weight loss. Yeah, weight loss filter.
至少係個人撞埋人嘅包。The last meal of the day. Mommy's eating the same thing. Last dessert of the day. Yummy. We're heading home now. It's like 2:45. Long drive. It was a long drive.
Scary? No, it's a beautiful choice.
It's not. It's very beautiful like that. Because I wanna make content. 你 skeptical 你真係就聽你嗌住 jump down 下。
I told you it's not that scary. Let's see which one you got.
Wow! You have Cinderella.
It matches the pumpkin theme. Look at the pumpkin on that.
Wow, Cinderella. Oh, so cute.
You sit on a pumpkin.
I want the sleepy one.
You're never gonna have the sleepy one. I'm sorry.
If it's the sleepy one,
Wow, let's see.
if it is the sleepy one, I deserve millions of coffee a year.
I don't think it is.
It is the sleepy one. Yes.
Wow, so cute.
It's a drama
Oh, the eyes. Just look at it. Wow.
The junk guy is not even working.
Oh, 嗰隻連轉種嗰個先。Will you move it?
Oh, wow. What do you think?
The barrel.
Wow, what's that?
Creepy.
Wow, so cute.
At least got the dew. I will go with Mulan. What do you go with? Which one do you pick?
I picked the jasmine then.
Okay.
Or
I haven't get adjustment ever. What is it?
jasmine.
oh my god
Jasmine. Wow.
I will get Jasmine
Oh, Jasmine. At least I don't think you ever got Jasmine.
I never got Jasmine wow this looks so good
Wow.
Oh, wow. Oh, so cool. Okay, here's the thing, okay? Who's Alia open first? Okay, go ahead, Alia.
What would I would get? What do you think?
Rip it, honey.
What do you think? What do you think will be inside?
it will be cute
I got. She got candy inside. She got candy inside. I'll look at the secret.
You like it?
Okay.
I don't say that camera.
show it to the camera don't drop it wow
I can't.
Let me see.
What is it? What
They're
is
cute.
it?
Oh, cute.
honey bear
You got honey bear. I told you you are honey bun.
Oh, let me see. Show it to the camera.
I'm looking at it and when I'm moving it,
Wow,
it's fun.